Hello year one, I'm sorry to hear that you're home self-isolating. I hope you're okay and that you'll be back with us very, very soon. I'm just going to talk you through some of the home learning I set for you to do whilst you're at home self-isolating. So the first thing I'd like to do is still make sure that you're reading every day for at least half an hour. Once you've read, make sure this is put into your reading record too, so we can see how much reading you've done whilst you've been off. It'd be quite exciting to see that you've done loads. So your tasks are mostly based around a story called The Storm Whale in Winter. I have added the YouTube link of the author reading the book on your home learning letter. You can watch this as many times as you want or as many times as you need to complete your tasks. One task that you've been given for your English is a diary. Can you write a diary as being Noi, so you are going to be Noi? Can you write a diary about the events of the day? Can you get the events in the right order? And can you think about how Noi would be feeling? So at one point his dad is missing. How would Noi be feeling about his dad not being there, or his dad not being where he should be? Think about why you're feeling this as well. I have a special challenge for you to use lots of ands and becauses in your sentences to make them a little bit longer and extend them. Another activity you have is to create a character profile of the whale. Can you draw a picture of a whale in the middle of a piece of paper? And can you think of all the adjectives you can to describe the whale from the story? Is he helpful? Is he unhelpful? Is he kind? Is he unkind? Is he naughty? Is he rude? Is he polite? Think of all the words you can to describe that whale and write them around your picture. I've got a couple of stories that you could write. One story is about making up your own character who is rescued by an animal. Think about your character, describe them to me. Think about the problem that happens. Why does your character need rescuing? What animal is going to rescue them? How are they going to rescue them? Think of all of these different elements and put them together in a short story for me. The other story you could write is based on the storm whale, but you could choose a different season. So could you do the storm whale in summer, the storm whale in autumn, the storm whale in spring? Think about how that's going to be different to the storm whale in winter. Is the weather going to be different? Is the light going to be different? Will the sea be frozen, for example? Lots of different elements that you can think about how it could change. And again, I'm only asking for a short story. Your final English task is creating a holiday brochure about going on a visit to the seaside. We've been thinking about that in topic and also in English with the storm whale. Try and make it as exciting and as appealing as possible. Can you give me some facts about the seaside? Can you include some pictures? Can you think of some examples of entertainment we might be able to do down there? What food and drink could I get? You need to make it as exciting as possible to encourage someone to visit the seaside. With your phonics, I have asked you to continue looking at the videos that are still online from the first lockdown. I've also put the link to Buried Treasure and the Phonics Play website on the letter that you can get onto to revise all of your sounds. I've also put on the common exception words and high frequency words for you to have a go at practice spelling. And these words will be coming up in our spelling tests, so if you practice now, you may get ahead when we're doing our spelling tests. For maths, I have put on 2 booklets. One is on place value and one is on addition and subtraction. These are just going over everything we have done this year so far to help you revise what we've been doing to make sure you're happy with it. I've also left you some art activities, so can you create a picture showing all 4 of seasons? I have put some examples of these on the home learning letter for you to have a look at, or you can go out there and think of your own, and you can choose how you do this. It could be on the computer, it could be painted, it could be drawn, you could choose natural materials outside. It's completely up to you. And your second art activity is Noi, the little boy in the story, likes drawing pictures of his friend the whale. Can you create your own whale picture? And again, I have put lots of examples of these in the letter. Or you can go out there and think of your own. There's also some geography that you can have a go at, which is finding the location of a lighthouse, and can you think about what the journey would be like to get there. And the last one is, can you find 5 facts about each of the capital cities for the countries in the United Kingdom? So again, we've looked at the capital cities. We know that they are London, Edinburgh, Belfast and Cardiff. Can you find some facts about each of these cities? And you can present this however you want. It could be a poster, it could be writing it could be a picture. It's up to you. That is your home learning for this term. I hope everything is okay. I hope that you are taking care and staying safe, and that you are feeling okay and you'll be back with us soon. Bye.